Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jeanette Andromeda, artist, illustrator, and player of YouTube games. And by games, I mean there's this trend going around where YouTubers are trying other YouTubers' tutorials, and most of the time it's doing a beauty tutorial, but then I saw Bailey J and Echo Gillette do it with artists, and I thought that was going to be a lot of fun, so I really wanted to try it. And there was one particular artist on YouTube that I'd been wanting to try her style of video anyway, because it looks like a lot of fun, and that's Katelyn McCaigue, and I hope I pronounced that correctly. Here's her name in case I didn't. But Katelyn has this really cool channel, and she has this amazing series called Monster Mash, where she'll take a bunch of different animals and mush them together into this new monstrous creature, and it just looks like so much fun. And she actually has a tutorial on how to draw creatures using the Monster Matrix. Cool, right? So let's try it.
So today I'm going to show you guys how to create monsters using what I call the matrix system. So this is going to be tapping back into freshman year of high school biology class for me, when you learned about...
I did actually learn biology while watching this video.
Okay, so how this one is going to work, it's kind of like my Monster Mash. I'm going to take different animals and different body parts and combine them together. I have my random animal generator here, and I'm going to generate 4 random animals to put into the matrix. Alright, we're going to refresh in 3, 2, 1, go!
So we have a weasel, a baboon, a hedgehog, and a thorny devil. Ooh. Cool.
So I have my body parts set up. I have head, body, legs, and then I have tail, wing, or miscellaneous.
So we have the head, the tail. I totally am doing this, whatever. Miscellaneous. Body, and legs. I'm apparently terrible at following direction, but I'm trying, okay?
Alright, so I have a random number generator set up, and that's going to help me pick the different spots, and I have it set from 1 to 16 since there's 16 slots in here.
Max is 16, and generate 11. It says the body of a hedgehog. Okay. Generate 6. So it has the butt of a baboon, obviously. That's gonna be great. Okay. 16. So we have the legs of the thorny devil. This is gonna be so cute. But it's a monster, I gotta make it monstrous. I'm sorry. There's nothing that scary about a baboon butt. Unless you're like behind it and you weren't expecting it. 4. Okay. And also the legs of a weasel. I'm gonna do one more and see if I can find a head. Because otherwise I'm just gonna put legs where a face should be, and that would be monstrous. But let's see. 2. Got another tail or whatever from a weasel. There's no head. Aww. You know what? I'm gonna go until I get a something for the head, okay? 15. Still not a head. 5? Yay! It's also the head of a baboon! We have a whole creature! What's next?
So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the top left corner, and I'm going to start sketching this and see what I come up with. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
And then it's time to hang out and draw, so I'm going to just screen record for a while and see what I can come up with. Thanks, Katelyn! So that was my try at tutorial tag. I tried Katelyn McCaigue's tutorial. I 100% recommend that you try Katelyn's tutorials, and if you haven't seen her channel yet, go check her out. If you like monsters and you like art, you are going to love her channel. She has a lot of really cool things there, and I definitely think you should check her out. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and since I'm such an itty-bitty channel, I'd recommend actually clicking on that notification bell, because you're not gonna get notified otherwise. I'm so little right now, and I'm really glad you're here to join me on this journey. I am just enjoying the heck out of this and really, really loving making these videos with you guys and for you guys. So until next time, stay creative, my friends. Bye!